So with a little bit of TLC, you can see how well it runs. I need a buffer for the front there, but that should be an easy replacement. So it doesn't take a lot of technical ability or effort to do a maintenance on your locomotives and check those wheel sets, because these older Triang Hornby sets and locos and wagons and coaches are notorious for having plastic wheels that always go out of alignment and are missing bits off the wheels. Now here's the other one that I'm working on, so I'll have two of them going within the next day or two. So I hope you enjoyed that, and let's see what's next. Well, it's not perfect. It needs some adjustments. I'd say that I need to fix it to the one coach and let it expand in the other direction. But it looks so much better than a gap. I'm sure you can improve on that. And, you know, make your own design, make it work. I think that's a nice little addition. So here is a C-clamp set on the little vise, and as you can see, this end of the screw, it's got a flexible kind of somewhat, well, I think it's flat, and then the other side is also flat. So the problem is you have to remove the motor from the chassis, and then you need to get something that would fit over, something similar to this, not that exactly, but the concept of being able to get that over the top of the pinion, and then apply pressure to the surface of that cog. You know, so that's got to fit in there somewhere, along with the motor. So that's what I intend to attempt doing on the ones that the cog is broken or worn. So I'll make an effort to get to this soon, but that's the basic principles of it. I hope that helps and gives you some ideas to move forward. Now, if you have seen this done, if you know where there is a video of it, I'd appreciate if you posted it. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye for now. So let's just get this on here. This is acrylic, nothing special about it. It's from the dollar store, and I thought burnt umber might be, raw sienna might be a good starting point. I may go back in and add burnt umber. But we'll just get this on first. And then we'll let that dry. Maybe just turn it over so I can get the bottom of it here. Just like that. And then along there. So we'll let that dry. And then I'll flip it over and do the other side. And I think I've got something coming off there, but I'll tend to that later. It's running just like brand new. That's so rewarding. Anyway, if you have an issue with spinning nuts, so as related to Ringfield motors, please give this a shot. It's not that difficult once you understand the principle of for every force there's equal and opposite force. Okay, let's see how it looks on the track. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. You know, you could make it a little bit darker, but I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So, it's not a big task. It's quite simple. You don't need a lot of skill to do this. As long as you tape it up, take it apart and put the paint where it's supposed to go, you'll be okay. And it's inexpensive and it makes it into a whole new model. Very stunning looking and more natural than the ones issued by Triang Hornby. Anyway, once again, thank you for dropping by Partickhill Station. We hope to see you here again sometime for some interesting stuff. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now. These two hoppers suddenly appeared, and there's something in there. I guess it's just fill. That claw is going to grab some of it and deposit it along the side of the track, I guess. So I cleaned the brushes and oiled all the parts, and I used the electric cleaner on everything in there. I cleaned the wheels and just made sure there was no gunk in there. I oiled the bearings, and I think everything is ready to go, so let's just see how it runs. So I've left the body off so that you can see it. There's no sparking there. It's running very smoothly and much quieter than it did before. And that was just with a nice clean, make sure all the gunk is out of there and it's operating fine, and very happy with that outcome. Now we're just going to give this a test run. And there you go. After a clean and service, it runs very smoothly. Through the points, no problem. A bit noisy through the ballast, but that may be just because of the flanges. But that is excellent, very pleased with that. And what I'm going to do is just drop a little bit of oil on there, and I'll do the same with the screw. This here when I put it back on. Hi, I hope you enjoyed that little review. I just thought I'd put something out there just to keep contact going. There are a number of projects ongoing here, and I'm working on them, and we'll be posting more interesting stuff shortly, so stay tuned to Partickhill Station, and thanks very much for joining in, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye for now.